Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton was a physicist and mathematician who developed the principles of modern physics, including the laws of motion, and is great as one of the great minds of the 7th century scientific revolution. In 1987, he published his most acclaimed work, Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, which has been called the single most influential book on physics. In 1705, he was knighted by Queen Anne of England, making him Sir Isaac Newton.
First law, law of inertia. In physics, inertia is a property of bodies to remain in their state of relative rest or relative motion. In general terms, it is a resistance that matter opposes when modifying its state of movement, including changes in speed or direction of movement. Well, I don't know how to say the formula because the formula is very complicated, so I'm going to show it down in the video.
For example, if you roll a ball, it will continue rolling unless friction or something else stops it by force.
The second law is law of mass and acceleration. Newton's second law of motion says that acceleration or gaining speed happens when a force acts on a mass or an object. Newton's second law also says that the greater the mass of the object being accelerated, the greater the amount of force needed to accelerate the object. The formula of the law is F equals mxa, and the force is mass x acceleration.
For example, riding a bicycle, the bicycle is the mass. Your leg is pushing the pedals of the bike. The bicycle is the force.
According to Newton's third law of motion, whenever two objects interact, they exert equal and opposite forces on each other. This is often worded as every action has an equal and opposite reaction. However, it's important to remember that the two forces act on two different objects, and the formula is Fa equals minus Fb.
For example, a bicycle or car will keep moving unless the rider or driver applies a frictional force through the brakes to stop it.